Westermans here with a Esprit arrow that's just arrived. It's got plate, rider, height control, ideal ducting machine. Don't know how many of these Esprit have sold over the years, but I imagine it's in the thousands. Comes with a Powermax 45 plasma. The machine itself is single phase, the plasma is actually three phase, but there is an option for single phase plasmas to be fitted. It's got the famous Edge Pro CNC control with USB ports. It's a band driven machine. Extraction is running down the centre of the machine, so wherever you're cutting from, the fumes are taken. This machine is actually offered without an extractor, but can be supplied if required. Machine will be sold as is, or as seen, or service to order. Shape downloaded from the USB, from what the customer's actually sent in. Quick start. Obviously you've also got your standard shapes. But obviously this machine can be used with most software that you have, including your ducting packages. You've obviously got your shape manager, various different shapes there. There's a few consumables for the 45, but not a great deal. More details available on westermans.com on this machine and others, like the Esprit Lightning, which is actually there, a Pro Arc at the back, and a few other machines over there, CNC plasmas, plus MIG, TIG, plasma, preheat, and much more. Fume extraction, a lot of arms sitting up there, 4 metre and 3 metre. Machine tools, automatic saws, bending rolls, compressors, seam welders, like I say, much more. So please go to westermans.com and look at some of the machines we can offer. Thank you for looking.